Hello everyone. Now in English grammar we are going to start the chapter number 10, the apostrophe s. We had completed till chapter number 9, and so now we are going to start the 10th chapter, and I hope all of you had completed all the chapters in your textbook. Now we are going to start the 10th chapter, the apostrophe s. Read these sentences. Manya is playing with a doll. Manya's doll can talk. Here, Manya's doll means the doll belongs to Manya. यहाँ पे लिखा है Manya's doll. उसका मतलब है कि ये डॉल किसकी है? मान्या की. मतलब कि the doll belong to Manya. मतलब कि ये डॉल मान्या की है. Second example we will see, the elephant's trunk is very big. Here elephant's trunk means the trunk belong to the elephant. यहाँ पे दिया है the elephant's trunk is very big. Elephant's trunk means ये trunk किसकी है? Elephant की. So apostrophe s is used to show belonging. मतलब एपोस्ट्रोफी एस आपके पास, हमारे पास या किसी के भी पास क्या है, अगर वो हमें कुछ बताना है तो उसके लिए एपोस्ट्रोफी एस का यूज करते हैं. जैसे कि हमने यहाँ पे ऊपर देखा, मान्यास डॉल, एलिफेंट्स ट्रंक. So these are the use of apostrophes. Now here you can see exercise is there. Rewrite these expressions using apostrophe s. Example is given, the doll belonging to Nisha. So answer we have to write Nisha's doll. The tail of the dog. So we have to write the dog's tail. Like this, the house belonging to Ravi. So we will write Ravi's house. The nest belonging to the bird, we will write bird's nest. The book belonging to Sonia, so we will write Sonia's book. The horns of the bull, so we will write the bull's horns. The pencil belonging to Vinay, Vinay's pencil. So like this we have to use apostrophe s. Now here, read the sentences. Nilesh is Rahul's brother. So here, Rahul's brother shows that Rahul and Nilesh are related. So here we can see that Rahul's brother, यहाँ पे लिखा है Rahul apostrophe s and brother, मतलब राहुल का भाई. तो किसी भी रिलेशन को भी अगर हमें दिखाना है तो हमें apostrophe s का यूज करना है. Second sentence on the next page, Rohini's school is in Noida. Here Rohini's school means the school in which Rohini studies. यहाँ पे जो लिखा है रोहिणी स्कूल, उसका मतलब है कि रोहिणी जो स्कूल में पढ़ती है वो स्कूल, तो उसके लिए लिख सकते हैं रोहिणी स्कूल. So apostrophe s is also used to show that something is related to another. हम apostrophe s किसी व्यक्ति से ही related हो उसको तो हम बताते ही हैं, पर उसके साथ किसी चीज या किसी प्लेस के बारे में भी अगर रिलेटेड है तो भी हम apostrophe यूज करके बताते हैं. Now the exercise is there. Rewrite this expression using apostrophe s. Example, sister of Meena. So we will write Meena's sister. The movies in which Ranbir has acted. So Ranbir's movies. Like this, some sentences are given here. The school in which Varun studies. So we will write Varun's school. The office in which Jyoti works. So we will write Jyoti's office. So like this, 3, 4, 5 you will do by yourself. I will send the answer in Tenno also. Okay. Now next point that we will see, when nouns talk about more than one thing, they usually ends in apostrophe. In such cases, we only add apostrophe to show belonging. मतलब अगर नाउन सिंगुलर नहीं है, प्लूरल है, मोर देन वन है, तो हम एपोस्ट्रोफी कैसे लगाते हैं वो यहाँ एग्जांपल में देखते हैं. द टेल्स ऑफ द डॉग्स. हियर यू कैन सी डॉग्स is a noun but plural noun. So if we are adding apostrophe, we will put only the sign of this apostrophe, the dog's tails. The books belonging to the students. So here students books we will write, the students we will write, and we will do only apostrophe sign here, and books, the students book. Okay, now on the next page, the exercise is there. Rewrite these expressions using apostrophe. The dresses belonging to the girls. So we will write like this. The dresses belonging to the girls. So here I had written, you just read it carefully, the girls' dresses. So here I had written girls like this, girl apostrophe S. But this one is wrong. What you have to write? You have to write GIRL girl and S also like this. And afterward you have to put this apostrophe only. The first one I had done like this intensely, सो दैट यू कैन अंडरस्टूड. मैंने ये पहला जो लिखा है वो जानबूझ के ऐसा लिखा है. अगर आप ऐसे लिखोगे तो वो गलत होगा. सो यू हैव टू राइट the girls dresses. So you will write the girls like this and you will put this apostrophe. Now you can see in second sentence the shoes belonging to the ladies. So the ladies, here you just see the ladies, the plural, the whole noun I had written here, and afterwards I had put apostrophe only. Okay, the ladies shoes. आपको ऐसे ही लिखना है. ये ladies word पूरा लिख के उसके बाद सिर्फ एपोस्ट्रोफी की साइन करना है. सो दिस वन इज ट्रू बट द फर्स्ट वन आई had written it is wrong. So you all of you don't write like this. Okay. The third one, the shirts belonging to the boys. So here we will write the boys. See, boys we have to write like this and afterwards we have to put only apostrophe sign. The boys shirt. The toys belonging to the babies. So the babies toys. See here once again babies like this and we have to put only apostrophe sign. Then the bags belonging to the guests. So here we will write the guest, the whole word guest with plural, and we will put only apostrophe sign and bags, the guest's bag. And the next exercise, that is rewrite these sentences using apostrophe S. So here the bag carried by Rahul is very heavy. जो यहाँ पर बोल्ड लेटर में दिया है वो हमें हिंट दी है कि हमें किसमें apostrophe S का यूज करना है. So the bag carried by Rahul. So we can write Rahul's bag. The office of my father is in Delhi. So the office of my father is in bold. So we will write my father's office. Now here this is very important. You just read these words whatever is given. The hostel of the boys is closed for Diwali. Now here you read it carefully. Hostel of the boys. Here boys is written. So we have to write the boys like this and afterward we will put only apostrophe sign. Okay. Don't forget it and don't put your apostrophe before S. So the boys hostel is closed for Diwali. The, the school of the girls is beside the hospital. Again you have to see it. The girls plural are there. So after the word girls we will put only apostrophe sign. The girls school. And please check whether the shoes of the students are clean or not. So the bold letters are shoes of the students. For that we will write, please check whether the students' shoes. Here you can see we have to write students and afterward we have to put apostrophe sign only. Don't do apostrophe before S. We have to put apostrophe sign after S. Students' shoes are clean or not. So in this chapter we had completed apostrophe S like this, apostrophe S, only apostrophe and apostrophe S in plural. So we had done in this about the apostrophe. I hope all of you understand in this. So you have to write this exercise in your textbook only and finish your textbook, finish your all the chapters till chapter number 10. Okay, thank you and have a nice day.